They're trying to make his love-making music encased in prison forever. That 1% ain't slick. Reverse ritual.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
I wish I was making this up. February 22nd. 222. 222 means working with your relationships. Love is a ruling energy right now. Work compassionately with those around you. Your home life, partnership, and any project you're working on to blossom. Coming together in your relationship. Love, yin and yang. 222. Queen of the Dam was released on 2/22/2002. 222 equals 6. 6 means sex. R. Kelly indicted. 2/22/2019. 222 equals 6. 6 equals sex. 2019, the year of the 3. Man, woman, child. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding. 6 equals sex. 6-pointed star. Baphomet. Androgynous being. Yin and yang. Balance. Complete. Whole. Rams versus Patriots. 2002. February 3rd, 2002. Rams versus Patriots. 2019. The Baphomets versus the Patriotic. Battle of the 1%. 17 years later. 1 + 7 = 8. That infinity 8? Well, they're trying to make his love-making music encased in prison forever. That 1% ain't slick. Reverse ritual time. Get you a green candle. Heart chakra. Aaliyah and R. Kelly music. Meditation time. One of these pictures. Write on the back of these pictures. Write why your relationship is complete and whole. Speak from the heart. Doesn't matter if you're single. You have a relationship with yourself. You have both masculine and feminine principles inside of you. Place picture under 7-day green candle. Light and go into meditation for 22 minutes. Visualize. Meditate on how your relationship is strong and powerful. The battle of the 1%. Dream wise.